everyone and welcome back to BloCills. In this another episode of Canva tutorial, we'll be making a phone wallpaper, an inspirational slash motivational phone wallpaper which will motivate you to complete your goals or achieve your goals every single day whenever you see it. Okay? So let's get started. First things first, go to your canva.com profile or account, log in or sign in as per your status. That is, if you don't have an account, sign up. If you have, then log in or sign in. And this is the dashboard that you'll be getting. So let's go on create design option and write there phone wallpaper, and this is what we get. We'll be filling colors into this canvas so that whenever you look at it, you will feel motivated to achieve your goals every single day. Okay then guys, let's make the background color black. Then let's go to elements. Then let's take this one. You can get this by writing frames, and you can get any other frames that you want. By clicking on frames, you can get any type of frame that you want. And after that, go to photos. And this is the photo that I'll be picking up. So you can also catch up with any photo you want. And then just align this with the borders of the canvas a little more extra, so that when we print it or when we download it, the photo doesn't get cropped out I mean. Yes, this is what we get. And now let's just change the transparency level. Here we have transparency. Click on it. I'll be taking 56. That looks great. And then again go to elements, and this is what we get. You can get this by scrolling down, and you can get it here in monoline elements. You can get it here. Now let's firstly change its color to white, and then just enlarge it, and yes, it goes in. Now again take one more, change the color to white, or you can just copy paste the previous one and just make it synchronized. Yes, we are halfway through guys, and now let's go to text. Create or select add a heading, then select brush as the font and write there whatever you feel like. That is, go for your goals or create opportunities for yourself. So here we get it is, and now what we need to do is just place it at the right way. Our inspirational slash motivational phone wallpaper done. Well then, this is it. This is your phone motivational phone wallpaper. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put the notification bell on. If you liked it comment section below, and also you can tag us on Instagram, that's @BloCills. Okay then guys, thank you so much.